here is the latest U.S. immigration update from USCIS concerning green card holders renewing their green card. This update took effect on September 10th, 2024, but was just announced today. USCIS, United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, they have automatically extended the validity of permanent resident cards or green card from 24 months, that's 2 years, to 36 months, 3 years, for lawful permanent residents who file Form I-90. That is the application to replace permanent resident cards. Now, USCIS has updated the language on Form I-90 receipt notices to extend the validity of a green card for 3 years or 36 months from the expiration date on the current green card for people with a newly filed Form I-90 request. People file the I-90 if they want to renew or replace their expiring or expired or lost green cards. USCIS has already begun printing amended receipt notices for individuals with pending Form I-90. These receipt notices can be presented with an expired green card as evidence of continued lawful permanent status and employment authorization as they await their renewed green card. This update in USCIS language and in 2 words just simply means longer processing times. I hope this update helps. All the best. We'll ask for more.